Hey guys, it's David from theunlocker.com, and today we're going to show you how to enable Flash on the Microsoft Surface with IE10. Okay, now Microsoft did add Flash into the Microsoft Surface, but they also added a whitelist, so it'll only use Flash for the sites listed on this whitelist. And while this whitelist is pretty extensive, it doesn't include some of the sites that you might use that Microsoft hasn't even heard of. So, for example, what will happen is if you go to a site that uses Flash that's not on their list, you get this little error at the top that says alternate HTML content should be placed here, this content requires Flash, get Flash, etc. Then when you go click get Flash, it'll actually tell you that you have Flash. So here's how to fix this. Basically, first we're going to go to the desktop, and then we're going to go to Internet Explorer and hold, so you need a keyboard for this, hold Alt on the keyboard and then select the gear icon at the top right and then let go of Alt, and this will give you more options. We're going to click on Tool, oops. So click on Tools, Compatibility View Settings. And then at the very bottom, you'll see a checkbox that says Download Updated Compatibility Lists from Microsoft. We're going to uncheck that. And what that does is if you have that checked, every time you restart the tablet, Microsoft will automatically download that whitelist over again, erasing whatever changes that we make, and we need to keep those changes in order for this to work. So once that's done, close Internet Explorer, open up Windows Explorer, or File Explorer, and then we're going to click on Computer and open up the C drive. Then in the search box at the top, we're going to type in IECOMPATDATA.xml and hit enter. Okay, so once it finds that file, it's going to be this one here. We're going to right click it, so you can hold down on it if you want. Then hit edit. Okay, and once this opens up, on your keyboard hit Control F, and we're going to look for /FLASH, hit enter, and it'll bring you down to the very bottom here, where the end of the Flash commands are. So, now, I'm going to use our mouse to make this easier. You're going to highlight the very last one, from the domain tag to the domain tag, like I have here. You're going to Control C, then hit enter, Control V to paste, and then now within those two domain tags, you'll see where the whatever.com is. That's where you can put whatever website you want to use Flash. So for me, it's vacd.biz is the one I was testing. And of course, you can copy and paste this and repeat it as many times as you want to put in all of the websites that you need to use. Once that's done, File, Save, and then close that out. Go back to the Start menu, open Internet Explorer from here, and you need to swipe from the right, hit Settings, Internet Options, Delete, Browsing History. Once that says done, we can swipe from the top to close Internet Explorer, then open it back up, and try the website again. vacd.biz. And there you go. Now you have the Flash interface for that website as opposed to the error message.